It's always good to take a picture of your wiring, except for grunting and whatever, because my lower back is, yeah. So this wire, which is farthest one here, it's black, runs to your power in. So comes from the power in. This one for power out, right? Power out, power out. Oh, it's always good to make sure the switch is off. Them the guys that will give you a poker. All right. Next one in the line is white one from the power out. And the very last one, final one, is the power in. Common. All right. Can you remember those? If not, you just go back like this. Bump, 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 and bump. And you take a picture. It lasts longer.